This is the blessing, the closest blessing to a marriage that we have in Hawaiian culture. This is honoring all the mountains around us. This is honoring the union and having you both just be absolutely humble and have the deepest gratitude for one another, being grateful. Ho'okahi no a'u oi Hawaii o moku o ke ave. Kilo hana ka ike iho I ka nani o Mauna Kea. A ke la o Mauna Loa, ho pili o walalai. Ka hiko ki la wea I ke ahi, a ka wahine. He wahine mai no vau. He ukali no ka makemake. Makemake au I ka nani. Mai ka I o ke ala, ke ala o Yapua. Honi au a ho'o mau.
No hoana ke aku ai kana hele hele I ahala e ki oho ka ua koukou e na kino malu kalani malu e hoi e ho ulu mai ana o laka I kona mau kuahu o mako valendo.
Now we are at one of the most important moments of today, when Amber and Justin will share their vows. These are the words that will set the rhythm of your marriage. Do you want to go first? Amber, you can go first. Gibbs. My NTT. I love you. You are my favorite. My grandma always told me to be patient. No need to be in a hurry. You'll find your life partner, the father of your kids. It'll happen, honey. Well, we're almost 40, so the clock was ticking. Come on, Grandma. But turns out Grandma was right, and the timing is perfect. I feel grateful and blessed every day to have you in my life. I have the honor and privilege to marry a man who is good and kind, who is smart, honest, generous, silly, and bonus, quite handsome. Very handsome. Who shares a deep, genuine love for family, nature, faith, and the small things. Who believes in the good in people and truly brings out the best in people. Who can really shake his hips. You can demonstrate now or later. And has a smile that lights up a room. Who is just as dirty as I am. Who loves to swim by my side in this beautiful ocean. Who truly loves me and treats me with respect. Who both recognizes and appreciates my quirks. Who helps me learn and grow, and who lets me help him learn and grow. Who will that's all the who's. Done with that. Okay. I feel incredibly sound in my decision to marry you. I'm calm and happy and peaceful. I trust wholeheartedly that you love yourself, you love me, you love us, and you will love our future children. As your wife, I vow to be honest, patient, and open-minded. I will try my very best to ask my sometimes many questions when you're well-fed and not hungry. I will take deep breaths and slow down my spin. I will apologize and I will forgive. I will be by your side across the desert, the mountains, the rivers, and the ocean. I will make many hundreds of pounds of sausage with you. Colossimos, that one's for you. I will remember that each day is a new day, and I will remember to laugh. I will always be your BB, and I'm so excited to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you, Gibbs. I love you.
I should have gone first. Amber Gibbs. It's got a nice ring to it, doesn't it? My BB. You began as my barnacle babe, and now you are my beautiful bride. But you'll always be my James. I love you. Like lava rock in the sea, you fill the gaps missing in me. There is no better complementary. The whole thing doesn't rhyme, I promise. It started with a whiskey toot and a hot tub smooch. Our relationship grew, flowing down rivers and searching for sea turtles. Your care for kids cemented that you are the wife for me. I cannot wait to see what beaches and rapids lie ahead. There is a common theme in our relationship. I am lucky to say you are right more often than me. So now that we are wed, I can promise you this: to paw and to snug, to be silly and to support when sad, to wave as you drive away and provide a hug upon your return home, to listen and if desired, provide a reply, to swim, to row, to NOLA walk, and yes, sometimes even trail run. To be your kitchen mate, and to wonder like it's our very first date. If lucky, we will grow old and have children of our own, and hopefully be able to call many beautiful places home. I love you, my BB. You are my soft rock and stone.
At this moment, Amber and Justin will exchange lei, a very cherished Hawaii tradition symbolizing aloha, respect, and the intertwining of their lives, their love. As you place these lei over each other's shoulders, remember that you are not only adorning your partner, but also embracing them with your aloha, your love, and the spirit of aloha. En olelo no'eau, ele kau, ele ho'oilo, I ke aloha. Love is worn like a wreath through the summers and the winters, meaning love is everlasting. I now pronounce you Kane and Wahine. You may honi. Give a kiss.